Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to another video in which we're going to be learning about how to solve an isosceles triangle using the perpendicular bisector theorem in an isosceles triangle. So today we're going to be taking a look at this concept right here, which basically says that whenever we have an isosceles triangle, right, and we have a bisector of the angle that reaches to the opposite side, then that means that the opposite side is going to be split on half. So it's going to be bisected, right? So the perpendicular bisector, right, of the side is also going to be an angle bisector, right? So in this case, the measurement of angle ABC, so it's the whole angle here, it's going to be bisected into half because we have an isosceles triangle. So if AB is congruent to BC and the measurement of ABD is congruent to the measurement of CBD, we actually know that then AD, are going to be congruent because BD is going to be a perpendicular bisector. So the angle is going to be 90 degrees here. Okay, now it's very important that we remember that whenever we're solving problems. So as you can see here on the right, we're asked to find the length of YA, and we're actually also asked to find the measurement of PQA. As we can see here from this problem, we have that the triangle YQP, so this triangle, right, is an isosceles triangle. And the reason we know that is because YQ is congruent to QP. Because we know that, and we also know that the measurement of angle YQA, so this one right here, is equal to the measurement of PQA, which we're being told by the tick marks we have there, we actually can deduce that QA is a perpendicular bisector, meaning that QA forms a 90-degree angle with YP, and actually that YA and AP are going to be congruent. So that means that because AP is 4, we know that YA is equal to AP. So that means that YA is also going to be 4, right? That's the first thing we know. The other thing we know is that if the measurement of AYQ is 31, we know that the measurement of APQ is also going to be 31 because we have an isosceles triangles. And we have to remember that whenever we have isosceles triangles, the opposite angles to the congruent sides are also congruent. Now that we have that, we're going to focus on the triangle on the right. Now the triangle on the right, which is triangle PAQ, right? We're being asked to find this angle, PQA. We know that this angle is 90 degrees because of the theorem, and we know that this angle is 31 degrees. So that means that 180 minus 90 degrees minus 31 degrees is going to give us the measurement of PQA. Why? Because the measurement of all the angles inside the triangle are 180 when added. So 180 minus 90 minus 31 is going to give us that the measurement of angle PQA is actually 59 degrees. Okay guys, and that's pretty much it for today. Make sure you double check every single thing we did right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!